This is a stock front rad cover or grill, as we sometimes call them, and it's in excellent condition, which you don't often see very often. We'll see a lot of flaring of rust in this section, but it's very, very compact, well worth restoring, as you can see. Very nice. Sandblasted. Some very minor body work done to the bottom. And this will be shot into primer. Here's the grill section of that. It's been sandblasted. The two will be shot in black, as well as the bezel, which will be shot in primer and then Syngus white. It's fairly straight bezel, not too many issues with it.